too wide to cross, where boats were tiny and paths were lost. The moonbeam whispered, I will make a way, a bridge of light where no one can stray. It curved and it twinkled across the stream, shimmering softly like a waking dream. Animals and children climbed the glowing arch, traveling safely from shore to marsh. It sparkled and hummed with a gentle song, a melody that carried the night along. When dawn crept softly with golden rays, the bridge stayed alight in the soft morning haze, a path of moonlight, sturdy and wide, a reminder that hope can build a guide. And whenever night falls with silver